Alright y'all, so it's time to lighten up your look for spring. Today I'm going to show you how I got this super cute highlighted curly bob with bangs, so stay tuned if you're interested. Now this is a wig by HerGivenHair and it's part of their pre-styled collection. This one is called Proud of Your Coily. And we're going to jazz it up today and make the texture really pop by adding some dimension to the hair. First I'm going to section the hair from front to back to help move quicker and neater. For this look, I'll be using lightener and 10 volume in the back, and then halfway through, I'll be using lightener and 20 volume. Now, since I'm using a balayage technique, I'm gonna need the lightener to be really, really thick, kind of like the consistency of icing. I'm gonna use the back of my hand as a surface to help me concentrate the formula on the ends and then feather the product up towards the roots. I'm going to use a heavy, chunky highlighting pattern throughout the hair because the hair is really thick and any finer highlights will get lost in hair this thick. Also, with curly hair, there's no need to go all the way up to the roots because it's already super voluminous and you won't really see the roots anyways. And going all the way up to the roots is kind of old school and looks a little too intentional for my liking. Now I'm leaving some of the hair completely untouched and in its natural color because I do want some highlights, but I also want some contrast and depth. Also, I'm not really going for a super blonde look, so that's why I opted for a 20 volume rather than a 30 or 40. Also, going any higher can damage the curl pattern and make it look really damaged and loose. So now I'm gonna allow the hair to lift to a level 8 or so, and then I'm gonna rinse it out. And this is what we have so far, a really nice heavy highlight with some dimension. And as you can see, the curl pattern held up really well and it still looks healthy. Now I'm gonna bleach the knots with some lightener and 20 volume. Now this step is pretty new to me and I'm not an expert just yet, but when I do get to be an expert at this, I'll be sure to share with you my secrets once I get a little better. But for now, I'm just carefully gonna apply the bleach and 20 volume carefully onto the lace, trying not to press into the lace. I'm gonna let that process for 15 minutes or so and then rinse. Next, I'm gonna tone the hair and the lace with Wella T18 and 20 volume. This is gonna cancel out the majority of the brassy color to the hair and it's gonna keep some warmth to it as well. I don't want it to be too cool because warmth complements my skin tone. Like I said, I'm also gonna be applying it to the lace and the knots that I bleached to reduce the warmth. I let that process for 20 minutes and then I rinse. And as you can see, it's a lot less brassy and warm and orangey than before. Now to style, I'm simply gonna rake some gel through the curls to define them and really make those highlights pop. Now I'm gonna let this dry overnight, but you can also diffuse the hair or let it sit under a dryer until it's 100% dry. And when it's totally dry, I just spray some light oil onto the hair and begin to break the gel cast. Look at those curls, y'all, completely popping. You can't tell me nothing different. It reminds me so much of my own hair, and that's what I love about it. Now for my hair, I'm keeping it super simple and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in a low bun and apply a wig cap. And when I applied that wig, you could not tell me nothing. Y'all, I love this wig. I even had to go change up my lipstick. Now this wig already came with bangs, but I'm gonna shorten them up just a little bit. Perfect. Now I'm gonna pick the roots, add a little bit of volume, and boom. Like I said, you cannot tell me this wig is not hot. I am truly, truly obsessed, y'all. This is a great way to add some color and lighten up your look without damaging your own natural hair. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more. I have so many videos like this. And also turn on your notifications so you won't miss an upload. Also, check down below in the description box to get the full details on this wig from HerGivenHair. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.